Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian markets were higher on Friday as positive US economic data released Thursday contributed to growing optimism over the global economy, pushing Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index to its highest level since August 2011. The US factory numbers followed Chinese manufacturing data released early Thursday, which was taken as a sign that Asia's largest economy is recovering from its recent slowdown. The strong economic data helped the Hang Seng Index climb about 20,000 mark for the first time in 15 months. The index was up 1.3%, benefiting from increased confidence in the Chinese economy as well as liquidity inflows into the city. The increase in risk appetite was also evident in the movement in the yen, which weakened against the US dollar. The US dollar was at 80.24 yen Friday, extending its 0.4% overnight rise against the yen. The weaker yen was a boon for Japanese stocks, with the Nikkei up 1.1%, while major electronics companies responded to earnings reports. Australia ASX 200 was just 0.1% higher, pairing early gains as caution set in ahead of next week's risk events. Risk aversion has characterized trading in Australia for much of the week, with local stocks underperforming regional peers down 0.2% week to date. Australian dollar was the major beneficiary of the headline. Australian dollar US dollar rallying through 1.04 to hit its highest level since end September. Improving data gave risk appetite a boost overnight and generally helped risk currencies higher. Australian dollar US dollar touched the 1.04 handle, while US dollar Japanese yen edged closer to last Friday's 4-month highs, about 80.0. The euro was also responding well to the better risk appetite but fell back late in the session after Greece Supreme Court commented that the planned austerity pension-related reforms may be unconstitutional. It later transpired that this was merely an opinion and not a binding step. With the US election just around the corner, today's non-farm payroll data will be closely monitored by investors, politicians and central bankers. Early indicators suggest that today's employment report is likely to show a moderate improvement in the US labor market. The number of jobs created in October is forecast to grow to 125,000 from 114,000 in September, according to analyst estimates. At the same time, the unemployment rate is expected to rise to 7.9% from 7.8%, a sign that the pace of jobs creation is not keeping up with the number of new entrants in the workforce. It was the latest market news provided by IGO FX. Goodbye.